Imran Khan's Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf party, declaring its intention to secure government positions both at the national level and in Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa provinces, issued a stern ultimatum to Pakistan's Election Commission on February 10th. PTI demanded the prompt announcement of complete election results by midnight or risk facing widespread protests in areas where outcomes were still pending. In a surprising turn of events, independent candidates supported by PTI emerged victorious in a significant portion of the 101 seats in the National Assembly following the February 8th elections. However, 2 days after polling, the outcome remained incomplete, leaving the nation on the brink of either a hung parliament or a coalition government. Addressing the media in Islamabad, PTI chief Gohar Ali Khan urged the Election Commission of Pakistan to swiftly release the final results, warning of peaceful protests by PTI supporters outside the offices of returning officers if their demands were not met. He criticized the ECP for allegedly failing in its constitutional duty to ensure timely result announcements. Claiming a total of 171 seats, including those already declared for PTI, Mr. Gohar asserted his party's readiness to lead both at the federal level and in Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Moreover, Mr. Gohar asserted possession of evidence, citing Form 45 from polling stations, purportedly showing PTI-supported candidates as winners despite their reported defeat by returning officers. He appealed to both institutions and the judiciary to honor the people's mandate, emphasizing PTI's slogan against slavery and warning of dire consequences for the economy and the country should this mandate be regarded. Mr. Gohar, handpicked as PTI chairman in the aftermath of Imran Khan's conviction, has navigated the party through turbulent times, marked by the departure of key leaders and legal challenges to his own leadership. Despite facing rejection by the ECP and legal challenges in the Supreme Court over intra-party polls, Mr. Gohar remains steadfast in his commitment to PTI's vision and objectives. As the political landscape continues to evolve, Nawaz Sharif has emphasized PMLN's emergence as the largest party and its intention to engage with other groups for coalition formation. Imran Khan, despite being incarcerated, conveyed his message through an audio-visual presentation, rejecting Sharif's victory claim and urging his supporters to celebrate what he termed as a hard-earned win. With voting concluded amidst challenges, including militant attacks and accusations of misconduct, Pakistan awaits the formation of a new government. In the absence of a clear majority, coalition building becomes paramount, marking a crucial phase in Pakistan's political journey.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.